What is up, guys, and welcome back to another G35 video. Today's video we're going to be doing two things on the G35 that I've been meaning to do for a while, and today's the day we're going to knock them out. So first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and polish the grill on the G35. For those of you that are not aware, I painted my grill black, gloss black, to give it that nice shine. The gloss isn't really showing, so what I'm gonna do is hit it with a polisher. I'm gonna use V36 and then finish off with V38. So second thing that we'll be tackling on the G35 is the rear coilovers. G35 Coupes actually don't have access to the dampening on the BC coilovers, so what you have to do in order to be able to adjust them in the rear, you have to drill a hole that goes into the trunk, then get some extenders and extend it into the trunk so you can adjust it on the knobs. It is a little bit stiff right now, so I want to be able to adjust it to soft when I need it and also stiff when I want it. Here are the products that I'm going to be using. I have V36, that's my cutting compound, and I'll have this as my finishing polish. You can only use these two and just use a microfiber rag and go ahead and apply it. But what I'm going to be using is a polisher from Torx, so it's going to make it a lot faster, a lot better results, and that is basically all I need. So just as a comparison, here is the before, and you can tell it's like really flat, and then this is so far with one little pass, this looks a lot better. So this is going over it the second time, and look how good the shine is. Still using V36, and you come over here and you can tell, look how dull the reflection is. Come over here and you can definitely tell a big difference. So this is after going over it with V38 two times after V36, and just look at that shine. That looks really, really good. So I'm gonna hit it one more time with V38 and then I'll be done. So that's the difference between it being not polished and then to it being polished, and that is amazing results. So it has been a couple days since the recording of the polish, and now we're on the portion of the BC Racing extenders. We're trying to find a place to where we can drill through in order to be able to have the extender come out into the trunk so I can adjust it when I want to. As far as I'm concerned, I haven't seen anybody else doing this. There's no tutorial on how to do it. So we're kind of freeballing it, and we're trying to see what's the best way to do it, so we'll let you guys know. Here's Thomas.
I don't know.
The man, the myth, the legend. So what's your prognosis, Doc? Will she make it?
I don't know, man. I mean, 50 cc's of oil, stat. Yeah, sure, fuck it.
Help. He's probably sick.
Instantly demonetized.
We couldn't really find a hole to drill from, so as you can see right here, Thomas has a screwdriver, and that's the only base that we actually have to drill a hole into. Screwdriver's going through right there, and that's where we're gonna drill the hole. It's already an existing hole, so we'll just make it bigger. Alright, so what Thomas is doing, he's installing the extender onto the existing knob, and all you need is a size 2 Allen key, and that should be good enough to go ahead and install it.
Who's there? The drill smoking.
That's good. It's good. Oh my fuck. Alright guys, so the other side is done now, so I have both sides complete, And let me show you guys what I did. On this side, we did the exact same thing. We used the 5/8 drill bit and we widened the hole a little bit more with the drill bit. Pulled this through, same thing on this side. With this cover, I went ahead and poked the hole through and got this outwards. The extenders are attached to the strut, so I can adjust them whenever I want to. I just pop the trunk. I can adjust them to go softer or to go stiffer, which is amazing. There was no other way to do this unless I took out the strut and adjusted them and then put them back on, and I don't want to do that. And it comes with the extenders already, so might as well use them. Torque spec on this bolt for the strut is 81 foot-pounds, and then the two nuts that are on the top is 21 foot-pounds. So that is the torque spec for everything you're removing. So that'll be all for this install. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Pepsi.